Welcome back. In this video, I will be talking about lists, and we will be playing around with lists in Trinket.io. Sorry for not making a video in a while. It's just because so much is going on, and I do have online learning. Okay, so let's create a new Python 3 Trinket. Okay, so a list is just a variable that stores multiple data types or objects. So let's make a list called people. Let's say people is equal to, and then we use these square brackets to wrap around all the things you put in the list, and then let's put a bunch of strings in this list. So we'll say Bobby, I don't know, it doesn't matter, and Jeff for now. And you can see we can print the list. But what if we want to use certain things in the list instead of the whole thing? Then we can use something called indexing. So we can say people, actually we'll say print people, and then index, let's say 2. Actually, no, we can't do 2. We can do 1. So indexing is basically like giving each thing in a list or each character in a string an index. Yeah, so a number assigned to it. And it starts at 0, so this would be assigned to 0, and this would be 1. But you'd think this would be 1 and this is 2. But you can see if we print this, we get Jeff. And we can also add things to lists. We can say people dot append, and append is another function, so we need parentheses. And we can say whatever we want. Eric doesn't matter. And you see, we get, oh, sorry, we got a print list. Got a print list people. And we get Bobby, Jeff, Eric, since we added Eric. Okay, and let's make a new list called people2. So this we'll just have more people. It's equal to, and you can do so many things with lists. I'm just showing you a few things that you can do with them. Okay, so you can say people2 is equal to George and Chris. Let's just say Chris. Okay, and we can add these lists together. So we can say print people plus people 2. And we can see if we print this, we get these two lists combined: Bobby, Jeff, Eric, George, Chris. Okay, guys, and with lists, you can use them. There's something called for loops, and they can let you iterate through all the items in a list. So you can say, like, for each item in a list, do this. I will be talking more about for loops in future videos, but I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next video.